know that you're watching today's video for one reason and one reason only, and that's because you want to learn how you can make money online. Well, then you've come to the right place. We're going to be showing you how you can get paid PayPal money just by liking videos. When you start earning money from today's method, you're going to be able to buy whatever it is that you've always wanted to buy yourself and even do the things that you've always wanted to do. Today's method is available worldwide, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the new Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos daily, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up, and you'll be the first one to know and try it out. Our first website for today is called rapidworkers.com. At Rapid Workers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly, and most of all, it simply works. As you can read right here, Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. Our team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. We are combining workers and employers to minimize publicity and marketing costs while at the same time providing money to everyday users. Workers sign up and browse micro jobs, select jobs that they like, finish tasks and submit proof, earn money, and a lot more. This website has a lot of payment methods, as you can see, like PayPal, bank transfer, and a whole lot more. Rapid Workers is a service of Unique Scripts Incorporation. Our team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, ranking, better ranking, backlinks, and much more. As they've mentioned, workers can submit their websites or your websites to search engines, promote sites, they can dig websites, they can post on Twitter, blogs, forums, etc. They can post reviews and a lot of other tasks. Now it's time for you to sign up, and to do so, just click on sign up right here on the upper right corner, and then that should take you to here. You need to fill up your name, your email address, your password, your country, confirm that you are not a robot, agree to the terms and services, and then hit on sign up. Before that, let's read through some of their very strict rules. Number 1 is that using VPN or other type of masking IP softwares are not allowed. Number 2, you're also not allowed to have multiple accounts with same IP or using shared or public Wi-Fi. Number 3, same IP used with other accounts to do tasks. What's supposed to be. Number 4, doing other country jobs that you're not from, you are not allowed to do that. You can only do the jobs that are made for your country. All of these will get you eventually banned, and once you're banned, you don't even waste your time making another account because it's not gonna happen. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, over $1,000 every single day, then make sure you check our description box down below, because we have a pleasant surprise there that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So make sure you check out our description box down below for that surprise. Also, let me know what payment method you would prefer, PayPal, Payoneer, whatever that may be. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to know and read through them, and maybe I can even respond to some. But for now, let's get back into the video. Now, you can really hit on sign up. As soon as you hit on sign up, you're gonna have to verify your email address before successfully starting. So go on ahead to your email, check your inbox, and look for an email just like this one. Then you're going to want to click on the link attached to that email, and that should take you straight into your verified Rapid Worker account. This is how the inside of your Rapid Worker account looks like. You can keep track of your transactions, your balance, deposits, withdrawals, literally everything, so you know if anybody is minding your own business. As you scroll lower, you'll see all of the tasks that you can actually take on and be well compensated for. It tells you what the task is, the countries it's available in, the payment, the time, which makes it really convenient since you don't have to figure out those types of information about the task on your own. Now it's time that we target what we came here for, which would be to earn by liking YouTube videos. And to do so, just look up at the search bar, YouTube. You can also filter out the payments so that it'll only show you the jobs that are related to YouTube as well as have higher payments. So that's going to be its focus. For example, we choose this one that pays you this amount of money, and you only have to do it within the time duration stated. All you need to do is click on it, then that's going to take us to another tab that's going to reveal more information on the task that we've just chosen so that we can know more about it. So you're just want to read through the whole thing, really understand everything, and then once you've read and understood, you can proceed by following the instructions as instructed or as follows, because that's what you're going to have to do anyway to be able to earn the method and to be able to really execute the task properly. Before we finish up, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And also let us know in the comments down below what videos you'd like to see next so we can note them down and maybe do it for our next video. Now let's continue. And before we wrap things up, we're going to have a little recap. First, you want to go to rapidworkers.com, sign up for a free account, look up tasks that you're interested in undertaking, do those tasks, and lastly, earn. Now, you may think that this is an easy peasy job, which it is, but you are still going to have to put in some little effort because that's really the only way that you're going to be able to make money for yourself. So make sure you try today's website out, follow everything that we just taught you, do the best that you can, and that is basically everything.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.